In this video, I will show you how to connect your Hisense washing machine to a Wi-Fi network so you can easily go ahead and start controlling it with your phone if you want to. Now first things first, you want to come over to your phone, and on your phone you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store or App Store in the case of an iPhone, and then go ahead and search for the Connect Live app, which is basically the app that is used for connecting most Hisense washing machine to a Wi-Fi network. Now you can literally see the app over here. I already have it downloaded, so I'll just go ahead and update it over here on my Android phone. And once the app is done downloading, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and log in if you do not have an account. So just scroll down and then click on I agree. And now you want to go ahead and log in with your Gmail or your Apple ID if you have an iPhone. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select one of my Gmail over here. Now click on allow, and then just select while using this app, click on allow again. And then you want to go ahead and make sure that you turn on Bluetooth over here. Click on allow to turn on the Bluetooth so that it can connect to your Hisense washing machine. And from the home of the Connect Live app, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on add devices. Now go ahead and select washing machine. So just scroll down and you can literally see the washing machine option over here. Go ahead and select it and then click on allow while using this app. And finally, you want to go ahead and look for the QR code over here. Now to find this, what you just want to do is to go ahead and open up this cover of your Hisense washing machine, and you should find the code over here on your Hisense washing machine. You can literally see it over here. Alternatively, this is actually the code if you want to connect using the QR code method. Now basically what you want to do is to go ahead and place your phone on this QR code so that it can scan the QR code on your Hisense washing machine. If you find out that your phone cannot scan the QR code over there on your washing machine properly, what you can just do is to go ahead and select the enter code manually option. You're going to get three options. The first is to go ahead and enter the AUID number. Alternatively, you can actually use the SN barcode, or you can also use the Wi-Fi ID. So you want to go ahead and look for any of these options over here on your Hisense washing machine. So just come over here at the bottom of this cover over here on your washing machine, and then just go ahead and look for any of those options on this place. You might also find it over here on your Hisense washing machine, or just any other part of the body of your Hisense washing machine. In my case over here, you can literally see the Wi-Fi ID over here. And there is also other option. I also have my SN number over here, and over here also on the washing machine. So I'll just go ahead and enter either the Wi-Fi ID or the SN barcode. I'll try the SN barcode in this particular video. So I'll just go ahead and enter it. You can literally see it over here and over here on my washing machine. Okay, so I have just entered the SN barcode into my phone, and as you can see, it is actually a 23-digit character with numbers and letters. So what you want to do now is to go ahead and click on the next button, just like so. Verifying code. You also want to make sure that your washing machine is actually turned on at this particular point. Now, step 1, you have to follow this step to actually connect it to a Wi-Fi network. You want to go ahead and press on the spin and the option button on your washing machine together for 3 seconds. So I'll just go ahead and press on the spin and options button for 3 seconds. Just like so. Now this has turned off the Wi-Fi. You can literally see that the Wi-Fi option is no longer there. Now to turn it on, I'll do the same thing. Now the Wi-Fi is turned on for my washing machine. The next thing you want to do from the steps over here is to go ahead and just press on next. And now you want to press on the temp button for 3 seconds as well. So I'll go ahead and press on the temp button for 3 seconds. And now you also want to move to the next step and then click on next again, and then go ahead and select the name of your washing machine from this list of washing machines over here. And as you can see, the connection process has now started. What you just want to do is to go ahead and select your Wi-Fi. In this case, I am using my iPhone 13 as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. So I'll go ahead and enter my Wi-Fi password over here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on remember network so you can easily connect to it next time, and then just go ahead and click on connect. And as you can see over here, the Wi-Fi logo on my Hisense washing machine is now static. It is no longer blinking, indicating that it is now connected to a Wi-Fi and I can now control it from my phone. You can literally see the washing machine over here, and as you can see, it is currently active. I can go ahead and do a lot of things directly from here with my phone. I can go ahead and control it, turn on the child lock. I can go ahead and see the washing session and even get notifications when the washing machine is done washing my clothes. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.